Hey, all you early birds, rejoice because Tuesday marked the last 7 o'clock sunrise in the Brazos Valley, at least for now. I tell you what, we move quick. By the end of the month, which is just a couple of days away, we're going to gain 9 minutes of sunlight. Before we even get to the middle of March, we're gaining a whole 20 minutes of sunlight. So wake up early, smell the flowers. But then here comes daylight saving time, and all of a sudden, it's 7:30 in the morning and the sun's barely breaking the horizon. But hey, no worries, because by the middle of April, we're back to a 7 o'clock sunrise, and then the sunrises continue to get earlier, the sunsets get later, we gain a whole lot of sunlight, but also a whole lot of heat. Hey, who's got the coffee?